is when it comes to living a longer, healthier, and more vibrant life, one of the most powerful choices we can make every single day is what we put on our plate. Food is not just fuel, it is information for the body. Every bite you take sends a signal that can either heal your body, strengthen your immune system, and slow down aging, or it can trigger inflammation, weaken your defenses, and speed up disease. The truth is, the path to longevity is not found in quick fixes or miracle pills, but in small, consistent habits. And among the most important of these habits is eating healing foods every single day. Let's start with something simple yet profoundly effective: berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are nature's antioxidant powerhouses. These little fruits are packed with compounds called polyphenols and flavonoids that fight oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and protect the brain from age-related decline. Studies show that people who eat berries regularly have sharper memory, healthier hearts, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. The great part is, they are naturally sweet, easy to add to breakfast bowls, smoothies, or even just eaten fresh as a snack. A handful a day can truly keep illness away. Another group of healing foods that you should include daily is leafy greens. Think spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens. These vegetables are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, along with minerals like magnesium and iron. They also contain chlorophyll, which helps detoxify the body and supports liver function. Leafy greens are associated with reduced risk of heart disease, stronger bones, and better eye health. People who consume at least one serving of greens per day are shown to have a slower rate of cognitive decline, essentially protecting the brain as we age. The fiber in these greens also nourishes the gut microbiome, which plays a huge role in immunity and mood regulation. Nuts and seeds are another essential healing food group. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and sunflower seeds are loaded with healthy fats, protein, and essential nutrients. Walnuts in particular are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are anti-inflammatory and protect the brain and heart. Chia and flax seeds contain fiber and lignans that balance hormones and improve digestion. Regular nut consumption has been linked to a lower risk of diabetes, better heart health, and longer lifespan. The beauty of nuts and seeds is how versatile they are. You can sprinkle them on salads, blend them into smoothies, or simply grab a small handful for a quick snack. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, brown rice, and barley are often overlooked, but they play a crucial role in daily healing. Unlike refined grains, whole grains are high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The fiber feeds healthy gut bacteria, which strengthens the immune system and lowers inflammation. Eating whole grains helps regulate blood sugar, lower cholesterol, and protect against heart disease. Quinoa, for example, is a complete protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids. Oats are especially good for breakfast, helping to keep you full for longer while supporting heart health. Including at least one serving of whole grains daily is a small but powerful step toward long-term vitality. Probiotic foods are essential for gut health. And a healthy gut is the foundation of overall wellness. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso are rich in beneficial bacteria that improve digestion, reduce bloating, and strengthen immunity. A balanced gut microbiome influences not only digestion but also mental health, energy levels, and even skin health. Researchers are now calling the gut the second brain because of its profound influence on mood and cognitive function. By including a probiotic-rich food in your daily diet, you are creating a protective shield against harmful bacteria, improving nutrient absorption, and reducing your risk of illness. Alongside probiotics, prebiotic foods are just as important. Prebiotics are the fibers that feed the good bacteria in your gut. Foods like garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, and bananas are excellent sources. By feeding your gut bacteria, you're enhancing your body's natural healing power and boosting your immunity. When probiotics and prebiotics work together, they create a strong foundation for digestive health and overall vitality. Healing foods are not only about solid meals, but also what we drink. Herbal teas such as green tea, chamomile, ginger tea, and turmeric tea provide powerful healing compounds. Green tea is full of catechins that fight cancer and support heart health. Ginger tea soothes digestion and reduces inflammation, while chamomile calms the nervous system and promotes restful sleep. Turmeric tea, with its active compound curcumin, is one of the most potent natural anti-inflammatories available. Sipping on these teas daily can gently detoxify the body, calm the mind, and support longevity. Colorful vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, beets, and sweet potatoes are rich in carotenoids and other antioxidants that protect cells from damage. Carrots and sweet potatoes provide beta-carotene, which supports eye health and strengthens the immune system. Beets improve blood circulation and support liver detoxification. While bell peppers are high in vitamin C, which helps the body fight infections and build collagen for healthy skin. is including a rainbow of vegetables in your diet ensures you are covering all your nutritional bases and giving your body the tools it needs to repair itself daily. Legumes such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas are another underrated healing food group. They are packed with plant-based protein, fiber, and minerals like iron and magnesium. Regular consumption of legumes has been linked to a longer life, improved blood sugar regulation, and reduced cholesterol. They are also inexpensive and incredibly versatile. A simple lentil soup, chickpea salad, or bean stew can nourish the body, support muscle health, and keep your digestive system strong. Another category of healing foods includes herbs and spices. Turmeric, garlic, cinnamon, oregano, and rosemary are not just flavor enhancers, they are powerful medicinal tools. Turmeric reduces inflammation, garlic lowers blood pressure, and supports the immune system. Cinnamon balances blood sugar, oregano fights infections, and rosemary supports memory and concentration. Adding herbs and spices to your meals daily is an easy and delicious way to unlock their healing potential. Healthy oils like extra virgin olive oil and avocado oil are another key to longevity. Olive oil is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, which is consistently linked to long life expectancy and reduced risk of heart disease. Its monounsaturated fats and polyphenols reduce inflammation and protect the heart. Avocado oil provides similar benefits with added vitamin E for skin and cellular health. Replacing processed oils with these natural options can drastically improve your daily nutrition and long-term wellness. Healing foods also extend to the simplest and most vital element of life, water. Staying hydrated is essential for every function in the body, from digestion and detoxification to brain function and joint lubrication. Adding a slice of lemon to your water can provide extra vitamin C and support liver health. Herbal infused waters with cucumber, mint, or ginger can also enhance hydration while delivering healing benefits. Something as simple as drinking enough clean water daily can add energy and years to your life. What's most important is not to view these foods as restrictions or rules, but as gifts you give your body each day. By making them a regular part of your meals, you train your body to thrive. Instead of focusing on what to cut out, think about what to add in. Replace sugary snacks with berries, swap processed snacks for nuts. Choose whole grains instead of refined ones, and enjoy a cup of herbal tea instead of a soda. Small shifts done consistently create massive changes over time. When you make healing foods a daily habit, you not only nourish your body, but also your mind and spirit. Eating whole, natural, colorful foods connects you back to nature and reminds you of the body's incredible ability to heal itself. Over time, you'll notice more energy, better digestion, glowing skin, a sharper mind, and most importantly, a stronger resilience against illness and aging. Longevity is not about adding years at the end of life, but about adding quality to every year you live. Healing foods give you that gift. So, if your goal is to live a longer, healthier, and more vibrant life, start today by filling your plate with healing foods. Choose berries, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, whole grains, legumes, herbs, and probiotic-rich foods. Drink healing teas, stay hydrated, and embrace the natural abundance that supports your body's journey. Every bite is a step on the healing path, and each choice brings you closer to the vibrant, balanced, and fulfilling life you deserve. Your body is your greatest ally, and when you feed it the foods it was designed to thrive on, it rewards you with health, energy, and longevity. Begin now and let healing foods become your daily medicine. The path to a longer life truly starts with what you eat today.